The first stock on our list is Global Water Resources. Global Water Resources is a small regulated water utility operating in fast-growing Arizona markets. This company doesn't chase growth. It acquires broken municipal systems cheap, then earns regulated returns by upgrading them. Where it stands today is early in a multi-year acquisition runway, with population growth and water scarcity working in its favor. Growth Water Resources also displays signs of high bargaining power. We see in 2022, as expenses grew 6%, the firm managed to achieve a net positive offset in revenue growth the same year of 7%. This is all in the midst of spiking rates and historical inflation back in 2022. The following year, amid continued inflation and energy price runoff, we've seen the company's expenses spike a massive 10%. However, the company's bargaining power allowed it to witness a larger net positive offset with revenue growth of 19%. Revenue stayed steady in 2024, likely to absorb the pricing pressure on consumers amid net free cash flows from the year prior. But now we see the firm is on pace for 5% revenue growth. With expense growth on pace to exceed revenue growth in 2025, I'm sure you'll start seeing that bargaining power reshape in the form of rate rises and expense subsidies. Earnings reported have dropped in 2024 and are on pace to drop 2025, but income still exceeds pre-2022 levels, so these levels of growth obtained throughout that period and still been sustained. So how do you play it? This is equity first. You accumulate shares slowly during regulatory noise or low volume pullbacks. Then, and only then, you layer optionality. A long dated leap call, roughly right now, I think the latest contract goes a little over 200 days, but as far out as you can, slightly out of the money, gives you convex exposure to rate-based growth without risking the core position. If regulations turn hostile, you stop adding. You don't panic, you just let time work. And you follow us for constant validations, invalidations, and updates to basically track that and make those decisions.